Hi everyone, friends. How are you today? It's nice to see you again. Okay, so today we are going to learn about poem. But this is a special poem. This special poem is called Haiku poem. Okay, and then what does make it special? This haiku poem is short. And in each line, they will have certain number of syllables. Okay, now let's just see and check, okay? Okay, so this is haiku poem. Let's see the first haiku poem. Okay, now who wants to help me to read the poem? Okay. Okay, now how about if we read it together? Busy butterfly flying around and around to find a flower. Okay, now let's try to count the syllables on each line. But before that, I want to ask you something. In this haiku poem, we can see that there are lines in there. But can you tell me how many lines are there in haiku poem? Yes, there are 3 lines. 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines. Now let's try to count the syllable on each line. Yeah, we can try to count by clapping our hands. Let's try with the first line and with the word busy. Yeah, busy. There are 2 syllables. You can write number 2 here, so it will make you feel easier to count later. And then how about butterfly? Butterfly. There are 3 syllables. So 2 and 3 make number 5. Oh, so on the first line, there are 5 syllables. Now, how about the second line? Flying. There are 2. Around. There are 2 also. And. Oh, it's only 1. How about another around? Around. Okay, there are 2 syllables. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 1 and plus 2 make number, anybody know? Yes, 7. So there are 7 syllables on the second line. Now let's try to check the syllables on the third line. 2. Oh, it's 1. Fine. It's 1 also. Oh, it's 1. How about the flower? Flower. Flower. There are 2 syllables. Okay, now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 equal? Yes, 5. So there are 5 syllables on the third line. Okay, so first line has 5 syllables. second line has seven syllables, while the third line has 5 syllables. Okay, now let's try to check the syllables and see the second haiku poem. Let's try to read the poem first. Bring the cup of tea to the garden by the sea. Enjoy it with me. Okay, now let's try to count the syllables on each line. Bring, oh, it's one. The, it's one also. Cup, one. Of, also one. E, also one. Also one and one and one and one and one. Make number 5. There are 5 syllables on the first line. Now let's try to check the second line. 2, the garden. Curtain. Oh, there are 2 syllables. By the sea. So 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 1 make number 7. Yes, there are 7 syllables on the second line. Now, how about the third line? Enjoy. Enjoy. There are 2 syllables. Eat. 1 syllable. With 1 syllable. And last one is me. Me. It's only 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 make number 5. Okay, so there are 5 syllables on the first line, 7 syllables on the second lines, and 5 syllables on the third line. Okay. Now, after this, you can try to read the poem in this page, yeah. You can read this poem, the third poem, and you need to decide the syllables on each line. Yeah, you need to count the syllables on each line. Oh, but how about if we try to read the poem together first? Okay, yeah, let's try. White clouds in the sky. They shape like a butterfly. Please come and stop by. Okay, so you can decide how many syllables in here. And you also can do the copywork with or by writing this haiku poem. Nah, this is the example of your copywork. You can write down the date. So it's Monday, 24th of August 2020. You can write the title Haiku. And then you can write the poem nicely and neatly on your copywork book. Okay? This is the last one, yeah? The one that the clouds shape like a butterfly. But if you want to write the other haiku poem on your copywork book, that is going to be fine. If you want to write 3 of them, that's gonna be good. Okay? So don't forget to do your copywork and count the syllables. And I hope that you can enjoy your day. Bye-bye.